Good morning everyone. Myself Junior Sanjay Das. With me Shivash Sarkar, Technical Assistant Member of Electrical Department, GIS College of Engineering, Kollani, Nadia. So today I will tell about Basic Electrical Engineering Lab Experiment. The title of this experiment, Characteristics of Fluorescent Lamp. So I think you have learned this in previous class. So come to the object of this experiment to study the starting method, minimum striking voltage and the effect of varying voltage current of fluorescent lamp using AC supply. So we have used apparatus. Number one, fluorescent lamp. This is the fluorescent lamp. Number two, we have used choke. This is the choke. Next, use starter. This is the starter. Next, use ammeter. This is the ammeter, MI type of ammeter. And next, we use voltmeter. This is the MI type of voltmeter. And next, use wattmeter. This is the digital type of wattmeter. And next, we have used variac. This is the resistive type of variac. Now, I have discussed the circuit diagram of this experiment. This is the circuit diagram of this experiment. This is the variac. This is the phase are connected ammeter in series and connected to wattmeter M side. M are C already shorted. L are connected fluorescent lamp positive terminal and lamp negative terminal are connected to choke, and after that connected variac negative terminal. And another way, the starter are connected series with lamp, and voltmeter are connected parallelly, and V side are connected negative terminal of the supply. Now, as well as, let's start the connection. First of all, we connect the circuit diagram through connecting wire. At first, ammeter are connected to what? To variac positive side, and ammeter are connected wattmeter M side, and M or C are shorted, and L side are connected to lamp. Now connected starter series with fluorescent lamp. And choke are connected to variac, and wattmeter V side are connected to negative side of this variac, and voltmeter are connected parallel. At first, this is the total complete of the connection, and keep the variac minimum 0 position. This is the variac minimum 0 position. At first keep the variac minimum 0 position, and next switch on the supply and increase gradually and till the lamp striking. Increase gradually. Just note down that this is the observation table. This is the observation table, and this is the column of applied voltage, and this is the column of line current. This is the column of power input, and this is the column of power factor. At first, this is the write down the striking voltage. The striking voltage is striking voltage is 95. Write down the striking voltage and 95 into 2, because we are connected 300. So 95 into 2 write down here, and step by step gradually increase the applied voltage and change current and power input, and next similarly increase the power voltage and change current, and similarly change power input, and next we have calculated the power factor. This is the applied voltage is increasing table, and similarly applied voltage the decreasing, we set 110, that's mean 110 into 2, that's mean 220. This is the applied voltage 220, and line current here, and power input, note down power input, and same process decrease the voltage, and step by step note down the reading, and the same time off the fluorescent lamp, and this is the extinguishing voltage, that's mean 80 into 2 160, and write down here extinguishing voltage 160. After that calculated the power factor and both table, and so PPR datasheet. Thank you.